LEGO Icons Flower Bouquet Artificial Flowers Building Set In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.9 stars based on 12,514 ratings and 816 reviews. 98% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 1% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Really different present. Got this for my 9-year-old niece. She loves Lego. I had concerns that it might be too complex for her since it was advertised as 18-year-old. But she came by yesterday and completed the build without any challenges, while simultaneously listening/looking at some unrelated YouTube vids. She absolutely love it. And she never even knew these Lego flowers existed, so got some cool uncle point." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Nice, but missing a lot of pieces. It was cheaper than retail store. Be warned though, it's missing a lot of pieces. Really frustrating. That's it.
Yeah, girl, you brighten up my world, say you love me like you mean it. Girl, I wanna hear you say it. Can't you?